Today I'm going to show you how to make cheese straws. You will need 225 grams of plain flour, 100 grams of cheddar cheese, 150 grams of butter, cubed and at room temperature, 1 egg, 2 tablespoons of water and a teaspoon of paprika. Firstly, you want to grate your cheese. And then to your plain flour, add your paprika and give it a mix. And then add your cubed butter. And with the tips of your fingertips, you want to press the butter into the flour until you have something that resembles breadcrumbs. And then you want to add most of the cheese. I always keep a little bit to one side, which I'm going to use to top the cheese straws later. And just mix that in. And then with your water, you just want to add a little bit at a time, mixing it in until you have a dough form. So you probably won't need all of the water. And then you want to roll out your dough, so pre-flour your work surface, and you want to roll out your dough until it's quite thick, so you want between half a centimetre to a centimetre thick. And then you want to cut it into strips. You can have them as big or as small as you like. And then put your strips onto a pre-lined baking tray with baking paper, and then beat your egg, and you want to just egg wash each of your cheese straws. And then just top each of your straws with your remaining cheese. You can always add a bit more cheese if you haven't left enough, which is what I should have done. And then pop in a preheated oven at gas mark 5, 190 degrees centigrade, or 170 fan assisted for 10 to 15 minutes until crisp. And there you have it. That's how you make cheese straws.